Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Geopolitical tensions between India and Pakistan may lead to increased intraday market volatility following reports that India has carried out strikes in Pakistan 2 weeks after a terrorist attack in Pahalgam that killed over 24 civilians. To start with our first segment for Wednesday, 7th May 2025, Nifty Index opened positive but failed to hold its opening levels above 24,500 and sank sharply by 130 points in the first hour itself. It was followed by the index moving in a very narrow band of around 50 to 60 points for the rest of the day. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame to close with losses of around 80 points and has started to form lower highs from the last two trading sessions. India VIX was up by around 3.6% to 19 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.92. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,800 to 24,800 zones, while immediate range is in between 24,100 to 24,600. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 3,795 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 1,398 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 49%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to cross and hold above 24,400 for strength to regain towards 24,650 marks, while supports can be seen at 24,050 zones. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 54,500, weakness could be seen towards 53,750, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 54,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Hero MotoCorp, Bharti Airtel, Max Healthcare, Biocon, Tata Steel, Hindustan Unilever, Eicher Motors, and Nestle. While some weakness could continue in Bank of Baroda, CG Power, Indian Hotel, CDSL, and PNB. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.